Tonight, though, we've been talking about the chance of rain. I don't think that happens as far as any strong or severe weather. Yes, there is a chance of rain, but out ahead of that cold front, it pushed temperatures into the low 80s today. We made it to 81 degrees this afternoon at DFW. Now, the normal high is 63 degrees, so almost 20 degrees above normal, but not quite near the record. The record was 94, but that was actually just set last year. So in the meantime, this is our Dallas left field camera. We've got lots of sunshine, nice and quiet, temperature of 80 degrees. Now we have had a cold front make its way into the Metroplex, and behind it, temperatures have fallen a little bit, but even where the cold front has already moved through, it's still really nice. We're at 74 degrees in Graham, 76 in Breckenridge, 76 right now in Decatur. Out ahead of the front, we're still at 84 degrees down in Meridian. We've got 76 in Sulphur Springs, and we've got 78 degrees in Canton. So here's where that cold front is. Behind it, it is a gusty north wind. We're seeing wind gusts as high as near 40 miles an hour in some of our far northwest counties. But out ahead of it, it is a south wind between about 10 to around 25 miles an hour. So satellite and radar, pretty quiet right now. We still have mostly sunny skies. We've also started to see a few showers develop really north of the Red River. There could be a few sprinkles around Archer City, but I expect a lot of that probably not hitting the ground just yet. So here's where the cold front will be around 6 o'clock. It's going to be a slow mover. Late this evening, I'm going to go ahead and stop the clock around 9 because that's when we start to see maybe a few showers start to pop up just north and east of the Dallas Metroplex. But as we go on to about midnight, we start to see that coverage expand a little bit more. So now we're talking around 30 to even maybe 40% coverage, especially south and east. After midnight, that coverage will really start to expand. But again, not really expecting too much in terms of thunderstorms, maybe a lightning strike or two, but that's about it. By 8 o'clock in the morning, I think the rain's out of here. We're still going to have some cloud cover, but tomorrow afternoon is going to be beautiful again. So tonight we're dropping down into the upper 40s to the upper 50s, about 57 in Mejia, but 46 degrees in Bowie, 48 in Denton, and 50 overnight tonight in downtown Dallas. Tomorrow afternoon behind the cold front, it will be a little bit cooler, but even these numbers are going to be above normal, going with a high of about 68 tomorrow in Fort Worth, but 70 in Mineral Wells, 65 in Hillsborough, and 66 tomorrow afternoon in McKinney. Now we're going to go ahead and forward the clock to this weekend because we have another chance of rain and storms. And at this point, it looks like Sunday, late afternoon and evening, we're going to have that chance of showers move across the DFW Metroplex. And then by the time we get into Sunday night and Monday morning, it moves out of here. Monday afternoon looks nice and dry, very quiet. But we've got a stronger storm system on the way for Tuesday. This one's going to have a dry line. Out ahead of the dry line, we're expecting showers and storms to develop. Some of these could become strong to severe. We're talking wind and hail, so we're going to have to watch that pretty closely. By Tuesday night, that's out of here. But again, Tuesday is going to be the day to watch. That is, we're going to have a level 2 of risk of severe weather on a scale of 1 to 5. So we're going to be that slight chance category, at least at this point. So for tonight, increasing clouds, a few showers develop overnight. Temperatures drop down into the upper 40s. Tomorrow afternoon, mostly sunny, a little cooler, but still nice. Highs in the upper 60s. 14-day forecast showing that 40% coverage of rain and storms late Sunday afternoon. But Sunday night, the coverage goes up. Monday during the day looks dry. Tuesday, the coverage goes up again. That's the day we're going to be watching closely. And then after that, temperatures fall into the 60s, but even that is pretty nice. Guys, back to you.